posted in a while, and I'm sorry about that. So we're doing a snack crate today, and I guess let's just get started. Israel, yes! Ooh, this is gonna be exciting. All right. Oh my gosh, the first thing I see is that there's chocolate coins in these. I'm excited. All right, let's open this up. All right, first up are Bisley snacks. Let's try them out. Let me put this here. Okay, first one is Smoky Bisleys. Where are my scissors? Here we go. All right. All right. I wonder what flavor these are going to be. They're like little chip rings. That's nice. They kind of taste like those dried pork skin chips, but made into little like rings. Those are very nice. Now these are like also Bisley's, but they're falafel flavored wheat snacks, and not the smoky kind. I'm gonna cut these. Oh, I did not expect these. They're like little. They smell weird.
What do they smell like?
I can't really describe it. Kind of tastes like. I know I've had it before. Kind of tastes like kind of peppers, but mixed with like kind of tastes like a weird chili. Side note, I don't like chili, but yeah, it kind of tastes like chili. I don't really like that, but that's probably just because I don't like chili. If you like chili, you would probably like those chips. All right. Next up is a peach drink in a can. And actually, I expected there to be a drink in a can because we get that almost every time. So I got a spoon to open it. Oh, I see it breaking through. Why is it not breaking? Oh, there it goes. All right, so wait, what? It opened. Oh, there we go. Okay. Whoa. That is really peachy. It's very nice though. I like that. It tastes like these like ring peach candies. I used to like those a lot. All right. That was very good. It tasted a lot like peach. Peanut butter puffs. Puffs. All right. They look like Cheeto puffs, but peanut butter apparently. I wanted to say cups because you don't normally hear peanut butter puffs. Cups. Oh. Kind of like cotton candy. It melts in my mouth, but at first it has the texture of a Cheeto puff, and it tastes like peanut butter. That is really good. I recommend these. Oh, those are good. There's a lot of good ones in here. Next one is chocolate log.
Chocolate okay. What?
Log.
Oh, log.
It like
gotcha.
Literally it's like that. Okay.
It's just a piece of tree covered with chocolate.
You know, piece of tree, why not? It's not tree. It's chocolate. Kind of tastes like white chocolate with like a little of milk chocolate mixed into it. That is really good. I love all of these that we're getting.
Go Israel.
Go Israel. Exactly. Tora Oodles mix. Tingy Tangy fruit juice. They look like those nerd candies. You know, the nerd colored candies. Oh, cut the crown off. And grab it. Peel. There we go. Oh, they are nerds, basically. They're tiny. Oh, that is not what I was expecting. First I thought they were nerds, and they really are chewy. Like, they taste like a taffy. Kind of, oh, they're sour. Those are really good though. They're sour, they're like chewy, and they're small. They're very nice. They're sweet at the same time. I don't know what they are. Oodles and more oodles. I'm assuming these are all the same, so I'm just gonna kind of like eat them together.
You might try them one at a time in case they're conflicting flavors.
This one looks like blue raspberry. Yep, it's blue raspberry. I cut them a little high. Ooh, these are like bigger. Still chewy, but they're definitely blue raspberry. These are also very good. Oh my gosh. Israel, where was your food all my life? These are good. Ooh. Oh, it's even more sour now. Green apple. And very nice. Oh, okay. Next up, and milk cream. Oh, there's hazelnut butter in it. Just like on my Nutella shirt. Press that open. And here we go. Oh. Ooh. Kind of like bumpy. Looks like the chocolate log in a way. Oh, that is so good. It tastes like, if you guys have ever had a Kinder Bueno, it's like basically a Kinder Egg, but on a stick. That's how I would describe this. That is so good. It's like a chocolatey, creamy thing just put together. I love that. These have all been my favorite. Chocolate coins. If you don't know, I love chocolate coins. I'll eat them every day if I have them. Oh, these have like, some are big, some are small. Oh, that's a small one. I mean, come on, it's a chocolate coin. I know it's gonna be good. Chocolate coin, that's how I can describe it. Very good. I love all of these. This one, Click Cocoa Choco Kit.
More chocolate?
More chocolate. There's been like a lot of chocolate ones in here. Oh my gosh, it's big. It's like, oh my gosh. They look like bubbles on the top. Oh. It's like cream, but as a marshmallow. Kind of tastes like a s'more in a way. If you like took just a marshmallow and chocolate, but without the graham cracker. Very nice. Tastes like just white and milk chocolate with marshmallows. That is very good, you guys. That is very good. These are all amazing. Ah! Okay. Pezek Z-Man wafer rolls. Ooh, that looks like there's caramel in these. Or on the top picture. Let's try it out and find out. And there we go. Oh. Ooh. Very wafery. It's kind of like chocolate, but also crunchy, which is kind of what I was expecting. That is very good. Oh my gosh. They're all so delicious. What are these little guys? Oh, more chocolate coins. But there's like these tiny little candies in here. See, oop. I probably might only like try one at a time. Fluffy Tuffy. I'm assuming these are taffies. Since I say Tuffy. It's a taffy. It's hard to bite through it. But it does taste a lot like strawberry. There's no way I'm getting my teeth through that right now. But that is a very nice strawberry flavor. They're all very chewy. I'm probably just gonna like get the flavor and then like be done with it because it would take a long time to chew this. What flavor is this again? Oh, it's like kind of a strawberry banana flavor. Very nice. I love all of these ones. Every one of these candies are so good. Even the chips are. This one is blueberry flavor, I think. They actually all kind of taste like the same, so I might not even bother with this one. But yeah,
Save it for later.
yeah, they all kind of taste the same. And last but not least, Click Milk Balls. Probably taste like milk duds. Oh, they're tiny. Oh, they're crunchy.
Are they like a malted milk?
Well, yeah, they have that flavor, but what I wasn't expecting is like when you bite into them, it tastes like a wafer inside. Like it just goes crunches. These were all amazing. Well, I loved every single bite of every one of these, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I recommend getting one of these snack crates because they're all amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video of my Ken's TV. Subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the bell so you never miss a video. Bye!